Hey guys, this is Aviru from Calcutta. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I hope all of you are doing really great on your side. Well, today I'm here to cook a very simple and very authentic North African egg-based dish known as Shakshouka, and for this I have a main key ingredient known as Maggi Magic Masala. I hope you love this recipe and come back with all your comments and suggestions in the comment box below and give me all the love you can for this recipe and this video. Thank you and wish you a very happy new year once again. Here I have 1/4 bowl of oil, 1 bowl of tomatoes, half a bowl of beans, a bowl of cauliflower, half a bowl of roughly chopped onions, ginger and garlic chopped 2 teaspoons each, and then comes 4 eggs. Here I have salt as per taste, 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, red chilli and coriander powder, honey 2 teaspoons, and the main ingredient being Maggi Masala Magic. First goes in the oil and we let it heat for some time on high flame. Then goes in the onions and we fry them till golden brown. Then goes in the beans and we saute it for some time. Then goes in the cauliflower and we do the same thing, saute it till it softens. We put a dash of water into it so that it helps the contents to soften up pretty quickly. We then cover it up with the lid so that everything gets cooked up pretty quickly. After around 5 to 6 minutes on low flame with the lid on, we open the lid to check on the contents. We then put all the masalas one by one, leaving aside the magic masala and the coriander powder. Then in goes the tomatoes. Well, here I am up with the secret ingredient, and that is tomato sauce. We add a little bit of water to it. We mix the contents well and then cover it for another good 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. We open the flame after that amount of time and then put the coriander powder. And then finally goes in the main key ingredient, that is Maggi Masala Magic. We then break in 4 eggs in 4 corners of the gravy and make sure that the eggs are whole. We then keep everything covered on low flame for a good amount of time, around 10 to 15 minutes, till everything cooks and steams up pretty well. Well, this is how my final dish looks, and you can see how lovely the eggs look and how colorful the gravy is.